Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today's video is a declutter, clean, and organize with me. I hope you are ready to tackle something today. I gave you a little bit of motivation at the beginning to go make your bed, so if you haven't done so today, go ahead and do it while you're watching this video. But I am going to be tackling what we call like our linen cabinet in the master bathroom. As you guys know, we do stay in a smaller house, and the master bathroom is pretty small as well. So we don't really have a linen closet that was built into the bathroom. The closet that we use is mainly for like brooms and our shampoos and things like that, but we don't have like a linen closet in the hallway or anything. So we purchased this antique piece. When we first moved in, we got it off of Facebook Marketplace. So instead of going out and purchasing a new one, I'm just going to clean this one up, declutter some of the towels and cleaning supplies that we have in it, and just keep using it until it falls apart. It's definitely sentimental to me too as well, just because we did get it when we first bought the house. So the first step to reorganizing is to see all that you have and then declutter things that you don't use. So that's what I'm doing here. I just brought everything into the master bedroom just so the angles of the camera would be right. But I'm just putting everything on the bed, and then I'm going to go through all the towels, bath cloths, and like the hand towels as well. And what we don't use or what's like stained up or anything like that, I'm going to declutter all of that, and then we're going to refold all the towels and place them back into the linen cabinet.
Jump out on the stage, get locked up in a cage, director. Oh, bring it on, director.
As far as sorting the items, so I put all the bath cloths together, the hand towels, and of course the regular towels all together. And then I'm going to go ahead and sort them by color, so that way when I put them back together, it'll definitely look somewhat neat. If I could go back and repurchase all towels, hand towels, and bath cloths, I would go with white, gray, and black. But until we use these enough to throw them away, I'm just going to use the colors that I have. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and put the items back that we'll be using back into the cabinet, and then I'm going to toss the other things, or either I'll give them away. So I took a little bit of a detour, and I'm going to take all the cleaning supplies that are at the bottom, and then I'm going to wipe the shelf down.
You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out.
Looking at all of my cleaning supplies, most of my cleaning supplies do go in my laundry room, and I do have a laundry room makeover. If you want to go back and look at that, I'll definitely put it in the description box below. But these are the cleaning supplies that I had on the shelf, and I definitely want to make sure the only supplies that should be in that shelf will be something I'll be using for the bathroom and like within the bathroom, so like my daily shower cleaner. So I'm going to make sure to sort the items that I don't use for the bathroom, take them out, put them in the laundry room, and make sure if I have any supplies in the laundry room that is strictly for the bathroom, all those items are going to go back into the linen shelf. So the organizing strategy that I'm going with is at the top will be by bath cloths along with the hand towels, and then the larger towels will go on the next 3 shelves if needed. And I am organizing them by color, so that way it'll come across neat to the eye.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.
I did realize as I was putting the towels back in there, I should have put them all the same way. So you'll see me taking them out and reorganizing them. So that's definitely a real life moment. It happens. So sometimes you just have to play around with things until you are finally satisfied.
Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself.
So I'm pretty satisfied with how the top turned out. So I'm not going to add the cleaning supplies until I take the shelf back into the bathroom. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll place the cleaning supplies on the bottom, and then I'll show you guys the after. If you haven't subscribed yet and you're still watching my video, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe. I post content just like this all the time, so I would love for you to be a part of my family here.
Sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love.
So here's the after. I'm definitely satisfied how everything turned out. It looks a lot more neat and definitely appealing to the eye. So just remember that if you're trying to reorganize a space, you don't have to go out and buy anything. You have to do is decide your space. Once you decide what space you want to declutter and organize, take all the items out of that space, declutter them, and then reorganize the items that you want to keep. It's just that simple.
Give in to love, believe in us, no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not. It was like if we were to waste.
Thank you guys for watching, and remember that I post on every Wednesday and Sunday, and I hope you guys can stay for the next one. Bye.
I feel emotionally drained. You getting into my brain. You getting into my brain. You're new to me. I don't know who you are, but like a piece of art, I want more, but better slow it down.